Hi, good afternoon. My name is Ren. I came to know Simple Nature 2013 April. Experience ko with PIPAR mula pagka college life ko hanggang 2013, mahina ang immune system ko. At hindi ako makaligo ng walang mainit na tubig. So kahit na tanghali, hapon, umaga, lagi ako mag-iinit ng tubig. Kung hindi, sobrang lamig at mag-chill ako. Parang feeling ko mamamatay ako sa lamig. And mula nung nag-take ako ng PIPAR, after 4 months, 5 months, nakita ko na hindi na ako giniginaw. And kahit na umakyat kami ng Baguio, December, hanggang ngayon hindi na ako nag-iinit ng tubig. Wow! Thank you, PIPAR. You're amazing. And secondly, I do exercise, nagsuswimming ako, and usually 2 laps lang, hingal na ako. Pero ngayon, I can do 10, same with the hingal nung 1 laps and 2 lapses ko. So, salamat, PIPAR. Also, I have a friend who had a colon cancer, and I introduced her to PIPARs. The doctor told her that she had only maximum of 6 months to live. She had a stage 4 colon cancer. When she came to me, I introduced her to PIPARs, and she took a jar for 1 month. And then after a month, because of the lack of finances, they had to stop the jars and continue with the bottles, with the tablets. They just maintain 4 bottles a month, and after 6 months, they continue with the bottles for only 2 bottles a month. And after 3 years now, she's still alive and strong. Praise God for PIPARs.